Good morning children. I am going to take math subject for second standard third term portion children. Now we are going to see unit 4 money. Money means what? Notes, coins, currencies. These are money. See here 20 rupees note, 5 rupees, then coin 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 2000 rupees. That are money. See here, stationery item, they have given first. How much is the stationery item? 20 rupees plus 5 rupee note. They have given 20 plus 5, how much? Totally 25 rupees. Then, see here, they have given crayons. Crayons, how much price of these crayons? 10 rupee note they have given, then 5 rupee note. So, totally 15 rupees. The price of this crayon is 15 rupees. See here then, pen. They have given 2 rupee coin, then 5 rupee note. So, what is the price of this pen? 7 rupees. See here, 2 rupee plus 5 rupee, totally 7 rupees. See here, page number 36. All of you take page number 36, children. Stationery. Here they have given paint box. Here amount paid. See here 20 rupees note, then 5 rupee note. 5 rupees. So totally how much price? PRIC. Price means adare velai. See here 20 plus 5 equal to 25 rupees. Rupees spelling RUPEES, rupees. See here blue color box is given, no? In that box you should write like this. Okay. See here next, crayons. ₹10 note they have given. What is the price of that? 10 rupees plus 5 rupees. So, 10 plus 5 equal to 15 rupees. The price of that crayon is 15 rupees. So, you write in that blue color box like this. See here, they have given their box, no? You should fill in that. Okay, children? Next one, pen. 2 rupee coin, then 5 rupees. So, 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 rupees. You write in that box, children. See here, next one. They have given a doll. 20 rupees. This doll costs 20 rupees. So, you should round the coins. See here. You round 5 rupees one, another 5 rupees, then 10 rupees. Then totally comes 20 rupees. 5 plus 5 plus 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. So, 20 rupees. This doll costs 20 rupees. Then, this box costs 8 rupees. So, what kind you should round? See here. 5 rupees one, then 2 rupees 1, 1 rupee 1. Totally 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, totally 8 rupees. See here. Practice next page. Page number 37. Page number 37. They have given the eraser. Eraser is 1 rupee. So, you should tick there for 1 rupee. See here. Then the sharpener is 2 rupees. Tick the coin 2 rupees. Then pen is 5 rupees. Tick the coin 5 rupee coin. Then the watch is 10 rupees. So, you tick here 10 rupee note. Then this bear doll is 20 rupees. So tick 20 rupees note. Then this toy car is 50 rupees. You tick 50 rupees notebook. See here, you do this one children, this is for you only. It's in page number 37. Then notes and coins we are going to see. It's in page number 38. See here, in a bazaar, they are selling the drum. The drum cost 50 rupees. They have given the price tag. Then this color balls. What is the price of that ball? 30 rupees each. Then see here, toy. They are selling the toy. What's the price of the toy? 25 rupees. Then they are selling the dress materials. Each one. See here, this dress material cost 90 rupees. This frock cost 85 rupees. Each one price. See here, you look at this picture, you will understand. See here, it's in page number 38. Then 50 rupees is equal to 5 10 rupees note. See here, 50 rupees note, 50 rupa note. Okay, this cost 5 10 rupees. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You count children, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 10 ரூபா நோட்டு சேர்ந்தாதான் ஒரு 50 ரூபா. Okay, see here. 50 rupees. 50 rupees is equal to 5 10 rupees. Both are same only. In the 50 rupee note same. This 5 10 rupee note also same only. Both are 50 rupees. This is also 50 rupees. This is also 50 rupees. See in page number 39 children. Page number 39. Complete the table for the given amount. See here, amount. Amount pay 35 rupees. Number of 10 rupees. Then number of 1 rupee. See here, they have given the tabular column here. See here, they have given the amount 35 rupees, 78 rupees, 89 rupees. See here, amount 35, 78, 89. See here, this one 10, tens, 10 rupees. See here, 35 no. Then put here 3 10 rupees. Then 1 rupee, 5 1 rupee. 3 10 ரூபாய் நோட் இருக்கும். 1 rupee coin 5 will be there. So totally 30 plus 5 35. See here 78. அப்போ எத்தனை 10 ரூபாய் நோட் இருக்கும்? 7 10 rupees will be there. 7 10 rupees, then 8 1 rupee coin. So 78. Then 89. 89 ரூபாய் சொன்னா எண்பது ரூபாய், டென்ஸில் வந்து 80 ரூபாய் இருக்கணும். தென் how many note? 88 10 rupees. அப்போது 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 ரூபாய், 80 rupees. 1 2 3 4 5 10 8 will be there. 8 10 ரூபாய் இருக்கும் நம்ம கையில். ஸோ 8. தென் 9, 1 rupee coin, 9 will be there. See here, 35, 78, 89. Okay, this is in this one. See here, page number 79, this column you should fill. Then again, they have given in rupees and 10 rupees and 1 rupee. You should find the total amount paid totally. See here, next tabular column, calculate the amount paid. எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் அவங்க பே பண்ணணுன்னு நம்ம கேல்குலேட் பண்ணலாம். See here, number of 10 rupees 4, then 1 rupee 8, then number of 10 rupees 5, then number of 1 rupee 6, number of 10 rupees 6, here nothing, 0. So you are going to see amount paid. See here, 40 rupees plus 8, 48, 40 ரூபாய், 4 tens. See here, 4 tens, 4 10 ரூபாய், how much? 40 rupees. So 40 plus 8, 48. So total amount they paid 48 rupees. Then 5 10 rupee, 50 ரூபாய், 50 rupees. Then 6 in 1, 6. So 56, 50 plus 6, 56 rupees. Amount paid is 56 rupees. Then 6 in 1 rupee nothing. So 6 10 ரூபாய், then 60 rupees. The amount paid is 60 rupees. You fill in this column, children. See here, they have given the column. You fill in this. The next one you see, write the total amount of the currency, notes and coins. WRITE, write the total, TOTAL, total amount, AMOUNT, write the total amount of given currency, notes and coins. COINS, coins. See here, they are given the serial number. First one, currency, notes and coins. COINS and coins. Then total. Here, total. See here, this is 50 rupees. Then 20. Then 10 rupee. See here, we are going to put total now. See here, 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note, then 10 rupee note. We can put the total, children. See here, tens, We used to do for addition, no? Same like that only. See here, 50 rupees. You put first 50 rupees, then 20, then 10. See here, 20, then 10. Total, we are going to add. How many totally? See here, everything is 0 only. Put 0. Take 5 in the mind. Take 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 1. After 7, 8. So totally 80 rupees. See here, they have given the column here. You put the number. Okay, and you add here. See here, they have given the total column, no, tens and ones column. You should fill here. Okay, it's in page number 39. See here, second one. This is first one. See the second one. 50 rupees note they have given. 50 rupees. Then 10 rupees. Then 5 rupee note. Then 5 rupee coin. They have given. See here. 50 ruba, 10 ruba, 5 ruba, then coin 1. We are going to put total here. Tens and ones. They have given the column there. Okay, see here. First 50 rupees. So you write here 50 rupees. Then 10 rupees. Write here 10. See here 5. This is 5 rupee. So you write here, this is rupees coin. Okay, single digit. So you put here 5. Then 5 rupee coin. You put here 5. See here, we are going to add 5 plus 5. Take 5 in the mind. Take 5 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you put here 0. 1 reminder you put here. Okay, see here. 5 in the mind. Take 1 in the finger. After 5, 6. Here 1 is there. So 7. So totally 70 rupees. You should fill here. See here, tens and columns. Is there no column? In that you should fill and write the total. Okay, children? See here, next one, comparison of the price. Finish, children? Page number 40. Comparison of price. See here. Pick the object which is costlier between the two given items. They have given the shirt, t-shirt. In that one is 80 rupees, one is 85. Which one is costlier? 85 only is costlier. See here. T-shirt amount one is 80 rupees. The another one is 85 rupees. Which is costlier? Which one is costlier? See here, they have given the box. So 85 only costlier. So tick here 85. Then next one you see bag they have given. Bag one is 93 rupees, 93. Another bag amount is 90 rupees. So which one is costlier, children? 93 only costlier. So you put tick here. Okay. See here, next one. Tick the object which is cheaper between the two. See here they have given the tiffin box. One is, see here, 2 tiffin box they have given. One is 55 rupees, one is 60 rupees. Which one is cheaper? Cheaper means vela kammiya irukku. You should tick that one. See here they have given 55 rupees. Then another one 60 rupees. Which one is cheaper, children? 55 only. This is only cheaper. 55 rupees தான் கம்மி, 60 rupees விட. Then next one they have given belt. See here, one belt cost 70 rupees. Another belt cost 62 rupees. So which is cheaper? 62 only, less amount. So you tick that one. This is only cheaper one. Okay children, rest we can see in the next class. Thank you children.